Here's what you need to know about what is MAC filtering. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. MAC filtering is a network access control technique that uses a device's MAC address to allow or block its connection to a network. Administrators create an allow list of approved MAC addresses. Devices not on the list are denied access. It is commonly used on wireless access points and managed switches. Key concept: allow and block lists. MAC filtering works with an allow list. Only listed MACs can connect. Or a block list. Listed MACs are denied. Allow lists are more secure because unknown devices are blocked by default unless explicitly approved. Key concept: wireless network control. On Wi-Fi networks, MAC filtering adds a layer of control on top of the password. Even if someone knows the Wi-Fi password, their device is denied if its MAC is not on the approved list. Key concept: limitations, MAC spoofing. MAC filtering provides weak security because MAC addresses can be spoofed. An attacker who captures network traffic can identify an approved MAC address and change their device's MAC to match it, bypassing the filter completely. Key concept: switch port security. On managed switches, MAC filtering is implemented through port security, restricting which MAC addresses can communicate on a specific port. This prevents unauthorized devices from plugging into the LAN. Let's look at the full breakdown. Allow list: only approved MACs connect. New devices blocked by default. Admin must add each device. More secure approach: block list: listed MACs are denied. All others can connect. Easy to maintain for small lists. Less secure: unknown devices allowed. Here's a real-world example. A small office sets up MAC filtering on their Wi-Fi router. The IT admin adds the MAC addresses of all 15 company laptops to the allow list. When a contractor arrives with a personal laptop, they cannot connect to the Wi-Fi even if they know the password. Their MAC is not on the list. However, a knowledgeable attacker could still connect by spoofing one of the 15 approved MAC addresses. Quick recap before you go. 1. MAC filtering controls network access based on a device's MAC address. 2. Allow lists permit only approved MACs. Block lists deny specific MACs. 3. Added layer of control on Wi-Fi on top of password authentication. 4. Easily bypassed by MAC spoofing, not a strong standalone security control. 5. Switch port security is the wired equivalent of MAC filtering. That's what is MAC filtering covered. Exam tip: MAC filtering is considered security through obscurity, easily bypassed by MAC spoofing. The exam may ask what MAC filtering protects against, unauthorized devices, and what it does not protect against, spoofing. It is a supplemental control, not a primary defense. Next up, what is port security? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.